In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google for productivity planning. By the end, you'll have a simple, connected system across Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and the Tasks and Keep apps that keeps your work organized and your time protected. Let's start with your inbox in Gmail, because clarity begins there. Create labels for the main areas of your life and work, like clients, finance, content, or urgent, so everything has a home. Set up filters to automatically sort incoming mail into those labels, star what truly needs your attention, and use templates for replies you send often. Instead of deleting, archive messages so you can find them later without clutter. A quick pro tip: turn on undo send for a safety net, and enable keyboard shortcuts to move through your inbox fast. Next, plan your time in Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content so you can toggle views and keep focus. Use color coding to make priorities pop at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you do every week. Set reminders like 10 minutes or an hour before, and block focus time for deep work. Time blocking your day beats an endless to-do list because you're assigning work to a realistic slot, not just wishing it done. Move on to organizing files in Google Drive. Build main folders such as clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Then keep file names consistent so search works in your favor. Share folders instead of individual files to avoid version chaos, and set the right permissions. Viewer for read only, commenter for feedback, and editor for collaboration. If you work with a team, shared drives keep ownership centralized. Collaborate smoothly in Google Docs. Start from templates for proposals, reports, or SOPs. Switch on suggesting mode for clean edits, and use comments to keep discussion inside the doc. Add headings to create a clickable outline and insert checklists for action items. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. Track what matters in Google Sheets. Create trackers for content, expenses, and leads. Use basic formulas like sum, if, and count. Add filters to slice data fast, and apply conditional formatting to highlight key numbers. It's ideal for budget tracking, affiliate sales, a client database, and KPIs.